New Saudi Arabia Overview. Abdul Hanan Official. About Saudi Arabia. Save and submit. Cancel. Saudi Arabia, officially known as the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, is a country located in the Middle East. It is the largest country in the Arabian Peninsula and the second largest in the Arab world after Algeria. The capital city is Riyadh, and the official language is Arabic. Saudi Arabia has a population of approximately 34.2 million people, with Islam being the dominant religion. The country is known for its oil reserves, which account for a significant portion of the country's economy. Saudi Arabia is also known for its strict social codes and laws, which are based on Islamic principles. Women, for example, have historically had limited rights and freedoms, but recent years have seen some easing of restrictions, with women now allowed to drive and attend sporting events. The country has a unique cultural heritage, including traditional dance, music, and art, and is home to several historical landmarks, including the ancient city of Ma'in Saleh and the Prophet's Mosque in Medina.